well, superb, superb. Like, I mean, the teardrop and, hands down.
I recommend everyone to watch it.
Nakakagulat siya. Di siya yung horror movie na basta lang tatakutin ka.
Even though we're not in the same age range, super fan pa rin kami kasi mata pa lang talaga, winner na.
Believe kami sa kanya, as in bagay talaga siya maging national artist.
Magaling ang pagkagawa ng pelikula. Sobra.
Super galing. Hands down.
Lahat magaling. Si Bing Loisaga magaling.
We want a part 2.
Ang galing. This is a first-class horror film. It's haunting.
You should watch it. Pag hindi nyo napanood, it's your loss.
Sa mga taga-Cebu, Davao, Tanaw mo, grabe ka rin doon. Adlo kayo!